She's hungry.
Help her.
Don't eat!
Huh? Wait, I know. Kongsuni's mom. She could lift us up there.
Yeah!
Open wide.
I can't watch.
Hold on. Ready, jump!
Huh?
You're safe.
Uh-huh, but I'm stuck. Help me, guys.
Think you can slide down?
Uh-huh. I'm coming.
Nice landing. Now let's get out of the kitchen. We need to get big again.
Hey, where's that bird of yours?
Sayo?
Yeah.
Huh?
Sayo! Hey, you gotta see this! The plants look so cool when you're small.
Is there time? Because we still need to return my mom's wedding ring.
No sweat.
What a hike. You thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! This is fun!
Let's go and find Mommy's lost wedding ring. Watch how you step. Try not to fall. Careful right here. Keep your balance. We're not afraid of this adventure. Finding Mommy's wedding ring. Yo Kongsuni, yo Eve, yo Sam. Aren't you glad we're best of friends? Always having lots of fun. One hand in, 2 and 3, always best of friends. Let's go and find Mommy's lost wedding ring. Across the stream, step on the stones, and down the hill we can slide. We're not afraid of this adventure. Finding Mommy's wedding ring. Yo Kongsuni, yo Eve, yo Sam. Aren't you glad we're best of friends? Always having lots of fun. Clap our hands, always best of friends.
Oh, wow, seeds everywhere. Awesome.
So pretty.
It's just like a fairy tale. Oh.
Huh? Pterodactyl! I've seen them in books. That's a pterodactyl.
Huh? No, silly, that's a giant butterfly.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Hmm?
Know what? It might be better if we found a faster way to fly.
That's a great idea. The butterfly. We need to catch a ride on it.
Right, but is that possible?
Mm-hmm.
Hang on. You're sure that's not a pterodactyl?
I'm sure. Now we just wait. I have an idea. Sayo! Come on, let's go.
I'm
But
coming.
how? The butterfly is too high up for us to get to.
It'll be easy. All we need now is my favorite bird friend.
You really think he can help us?
Mm-hmm.
What, like turn these things into helicopters?
Where is he? Did he hear me? Guess not. Sayo, where are you? Sayo?
Coming your way! What can I do you for?
We've got to get to that butterfly fast.
Here you go. You're next. And last but not least.
Sayo, can you get some some yummy flower nectar for Mr. Butterfly to chase after?
No problem. You! Over here. You want some of this?
One of these days, I'll figure out what you're saying. Huh? That's strange. Kongsuni's being unusually quiet today.
Any way you can make this thing go higher?
Sayo, can you wiggle your bum up a little higher?
Can I?
Hmm? No! Where's my wedding ring? Oh.
You're doing great, Sayo.
Thanks. Come on, Bug. Don't tickle it. Thank you, Butterfly. Thank you, Sayo.
Duck!
Kongsuni, have you seen my ring? Oh, thank goodness. I was worried I'd never find it. What a long game of hide and seek. I give up. Come out. Where are you? Oh, maybe they're in one of the closets.
That was close. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. Now, if only we could get bigger.
Can't you just ask your friend Sayo to make us big again?
He can only do magic with his special microphone, and now he's too small to lift it. I'm so sorry. This is all my fault. It's because I touched my mom's stuff. That's why we're here.
That's mine! No, Chloe! Put it down! Be gentle, okay? We need that! Please, it's special!
That's it. Get Chloe to help us.
I'm not so sure. I've never seen a baby cast a spell before.
It's okay, Sayo. You can trust Chloe. She gets smarter every day. You can do it if you work together.
Kongsuni, so how do you think that Chloe can help us?
Well, you're way too small for the mic, so let her hold it, and then you do your magic.
It's worth a shot. Okay. Abraca-high. Abraca-low.
Huh?
Now it's time
Everything okay in there?
to make us grow.
We're big again. Was that fun or what?
Where were you hiding? And how did you get so dirty?
Easy. Know how? We traveled all the way across the world and back.
And we flew on giant dinosaurs.
And ran away from monsters.
Well, that's good. You've been keeping busy. Kongsuni, Chloe, guess what, kids? I made a little something for each of you.
You did? Let's see.
Ta-da!
I love it.
Take good care of it now.
Promise.
Very nice. Mom only makes rings for her special girls.
Mom, I promise I'll never touch your ring again.
Kongsuni, you like your dad's cooking, right? Tell him what a good cook he is.
Well, he's really good at making instant noodles, but that probably doesn't count.
Aw. Don't worry. We can get through this together.
Sure, Dad, we can do it.
This isn't gonna be easy, but with you by my side, I'll be super chef. Ha ha ha!
Sayo, guess what?
None of this is real. I'm dreaming.
Nope, but here's a hint. There's a big father-daughter cook-off coming up. And guess who asked me?
Say no more. I'm a whiz in the kitchen, my friend.
Of course.
All right, everybody. I'm so glad you're all here.
Don't be scared, Dad.
The judges should all pay attention to details and not vote just because they like someone.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Hey. Oh.
Whoa.
See that, kids? Your pasta's done when it sticks to the wall. Whoa.
Sayo, is there anything you can do to help us out?
You came to the right place.
Wow, you brought all that with you?
Of course.
Thanks.
Got your back.
Huh?
Here, Dad, it's ready.
Perfect. Did you get Mom to pack that for us? You're the best. What do you say we get this show started? Ah.
Huh?
Ah. Oh. Oh. What can I say? The stovetop adds extra flavor.
Daddy, let me handle this.
Oh. Careful now. It's hot.
May I present to you the great Pizzasaurus Rex? You smell that? This sauce will be delicious. I think you're going to love it.
Is everyone ready? Nothing says yummy more than homemade noodles. Are you watching? Bet you've never seen this before. Well, that wasn't part of the recipe.
When the noodles stick, they're ready.
Sayo.
Da, da, da. Don't you worry. I made a little extra.
Thank you. You're my best friend.
Enjoy.
Look, Dad.
Huh? More noodle dough.
That's right. It's from my magic cupboard.
Well, aren't we lucky? You know, this might just save the day. Ah. Yeah. Oh.
Oh,
Oh, not again.
Oh,
Got any more dough?
I only found that extra bit. Oh.
Your attention, please, everyone. 5 minutes left to finish. Time for your final touches.
Know what? I shouldn't have made all this so complicated. I'm so sorry for making a big mess of everything.
Ah, that's it!
Huh?
We gotta keep things simple. Dad, it's time for us to move to Plan B.
Oh, I'm listening.
You know what's fast and easy to make? Super pancakes with a little magic twist.
Right, that'll work.
Yeah, let's do it.
Ha! There's not another single second to waste. You okay?
Yeah, sounds perfect. And I like your topping ideas, too. Uh-huh.
That means a good plan, right?
What's up? Who are you talking to in there?
It's nobody, really.
Huh?
Just my imaginary friend.
Fair enough. You ready to start?
One last push. You can do this. Mr. Pancake's counting on you.
Here comes the magic.